How to install Java. Explained in simple words. What does Java mean? Java is a widely used, platform-independent programming language used for web applications, mobile apps, enterprise software, and more. Before you can write and run Java programs, you need to install Java on your computer. In simple words, Java installation equals setting up Java so your computer can run Java programs. Why installing Java matters? You need Java to compile and run Java programs. Installing Java gives you JDK, Java Development Kit, and JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Without Java installed, your computer cannot execute Java programs. Step-by-step guide to install Java. 1. Check if Java is already installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Java version. If you see a version number, e.g., Java 20.0.1, Java is installed. If not, you need to install it. 2. Download Java JDK. Go to the official Oracle website, https://java/technologies/javas-downloads.html. Choose the latest stable JDK version for your operating system. Windows, Mac, Linux. 3. Install Java on Windows. Run the downloaded installer. Follow the installation steps. Set the Java_home environment variable. Optional but recommended. Verify installation in command prompt. Java version. Javic version. 4. Install Java on Mac. Download the Mac installer from Oracle. Open the installer and follow instructions. Verify installation in terminal. Java version. Javic version. 5. Install Java on Linux. Most Linux systems come with OpenJDK available in repositories. To install or update, use your package manager. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install OpenJDK 20 JDK. Java version. Javic version. 6. Optional. Install a code editor or IDE. Use Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or VS Code to write Java programs. Makes coding, compiling, and debugging easier and faster. Tips after installation. Checkmark always use the latest stable JDK version. Checkmark set Java_home environment variable for better integration. Checkmark verify installation using Java version and Javic version. Checkmark install an IDE for efficient coding, debugging, and project management. Real-life analogy. Installing Java is like installing a toolkit toolbox. Java equals toolkit for building apps. IDE code editor equals workspace for building. JDK, JRE equals tools to compile and run your projects. Without the toolkit, Java installed, you cannot build or run apps. Important point. Java must be properly installed to compile programs using Javic, run programs using Java, build web, desktop, or mobile applications. Simple definition. Java installation equals setting up Java Development Kit, JDK, and Runtime Environment, JRE, on your computer to compile and run Java programs efficiently. Final summary. After installing Java, checkmark you can compile Java programs using Javic. Checkmark run Java programs using Java. Checkmark use an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or VS Code for development. Checkmark start building applications in web, desktop, or Android development. Without Java installed, crossmark you cannot run or compile Java programs. With Java installed, checkmark Java is ready for learning, coding, and professional development. Java installation is the first step for every Java programmer.